of people now rent their movies the Netflix way. They fill out a wish list from the title on the company website and receive the first DVD in the mail. When the mail is one back, the next one the list is sent. The Netflix model has been exhaustively analyzed for its disruptive new economy implication. What will it mean for video stores like Blockbuster, which has in fact started a similar service? What will it mean for movie studio and theater? What does it show about long-time business, one that amalgamates many niche markets, like those for diet motifs of a classic musical, into a single target in the audience? But one other major implication has barely been mentioned. What this and similar internet beside business mean for that stalwart of the old economy, the unique starter postal service. Every day, some 2 million Netflix envelopes come to go appear class mail. They were joined by millions of the shipments from only pharmacy brand vendor Amazon is gone. The eclipse of snail mail in the instant electronic communication has been predicated at least the has the coming of the paper office, but the consumption of paper keep rising. And so, with some nouns and internet check, does the form of mail carried by mail. On the front, an American household received twice as many pieces of mail a day as it did in the. Is the internet hurting the mail of helping? As Ms. Collier critically, according of the public private mail industry dashboard. In the last 5 years, it has also found net or rather growth for the mail industry, commissioning a series of studies, available free at forcing.com, that contains startling findings about the economic, technological, and cultural forces that affect use of mail. The harmful side of the internet, in fact, is of but statistically less important. The many world goes people natural right people rather when they can send email message to laptop. Above of all people correspondent is to know that has been lost in this shift. The precision, varying look and feel of handwriting and trivial respondents. But even before email, personal lecture has right to annuity share of the flow. As consultant of neither word in a bow study, personal mind had long ago been reduced to a minimum with the proliferation of telephone service in the last 5 years. Personal lecture of all sorts can house to respondents account less imperfect of the billion bits of first-class mail that the postal service holder each year. More of that personal mail consists of greeting card, invitation, acknowledgement, and other mail with emotional content, a category that is general hoarding is worse. The some ignore income house how the really the most one email correspondence also send the most letter. Whatever shrinkage mail has caused in personal correspondence, it is not likely to do much more. The internet and early technology, meanwhile, are increasing the volume of all mail in the volume all fashion mail industry. The few follow in Netflix example, postal service